complaint in this lawsuit, and if you look at it now, it looks like it's all been just sort of condensed into in-ray, like Facebook class action. And so essentially, it was a similar claim brought against, and I'm just going to summarize this because I also want to get to the CCPA. It was essentially a claim that was brought against Facebook for failure to obtain consent for their facial recognition technologies. And I wish I could find. I've got a picture. Have I told everyone how Facebook's algorithms has more than once confused me for former FTC chief technologist Ashkan Soltani, an architect of the CCPA? Okay, so I'm going to put it. Let me see if I can. I want to find a picture of. I want to find a picture of Ashkan because this is basically done.